gente, it's Mariluz here and welcome to my channel. I do want to excuse myself for posting this video a little late and for missing Monday's live, but as you can tell, I have been very sick for the last 2 weeks. I'm still not 100%, but I feel a lot better. I got very sick during my vacation. I had to miss 1 day of Disney parks, so that's when you know I was very sick. And for the rest of the week, I was like in bed rest for like 4 days. And then last weekend, I had a little trouble with my dog. I think John and I are almost deciding to give him away. So it's very sad. It's been very rough very rough for the last 2 weeks, but here I am, very excited though to create this video for you. Today I will show you how to create 5 looks for the office using one palette, and we'll be using the Too Faced chocolate bar palette. You guys don't know, this is one of my holy grail palettes. It's a really nice neutral palette. It has been in the market for years and I feel like it's still relevant to this day. And the reason why I created these looks for the office is because this week it is Secretary's Week or Administrative Professionals Week, and I was raised by a single mother, and even though she wasn't per se a secretary, she worked at an office and they still celebrate her this week. I would remember her buying like the best outfits. She would have like these really nice skirts and blazers and she would look amazing, and I would always be so excited for this week. Not only that, but it's also my birthday week, so like everything falls this week and it gets me super pumped, and that's why I was so excited to create this video for you. So I hope you enjoy it. I also separated it into like a lookbook, so every look will represent like a day of the week. I've also created timestamps down below, that way you can guide yourself better during the week. It will be easier for you to skip forward if you're looking for a certain look. Now without further ado, let's get right into this video. Now for Monday, I decided to create a look that would not take too much time, because we know Mondays we're just like starting up the week, we're still warming up our engines and we just want something quick, but something that will make us look awake and ready for the week. So I decided to create this really simple matte look with just a little bit of shimmer like for the highlight. So to start the look, I'm going to be using this shade here called Salted Caramel, and then with my Sigma E40 I'm going to apply it all over my crease and blow it up a little further up. And once I've built it enough like so, I'm going to take the next shade, this shade right here called Milk Chocolate. I'm going to take the same brush and apply that on my crease. Now this time I'm only using windshield wiper motions. I'm not going to be using circular motions. And after that is blended, I'm going to take this matte color called White Chocolate. Now this time I'm going to take a Sigma E55. This is a shader brush, and I'm just going to apply that on my lid. And I'm going to pick up Milk Chocolate, this color here again, and this time I'm going to pick it up with a pencil brush to apply it all over my lower lash line. Now you can keep it like this if you like, but I also like to highlight the inner corner in the lower lash line. So for that I'm going to take this shade right here called Marzipan. I'm also taking a pencil brush and I'm going to highlight on my inner corner and on the brow bone. Now you just gotta apply a little bit of mascara, and here you have a Monday eye look. For this Tuesday look, I decided to do something a little bit more elaborate, but still keeping that softness. We're still warming up. We're just saying we survived Monday, but we're not ready to Friday. We're hoping to get there, but we're still not there yet. Now to create the Tuesday look, I'm going to take Salted Caramel, and with my Sigma E40, I'm going to apply that on my crease. I will also blow this color up, so I'm going to blend it windshield wiper motions and then circular motions to just blend it over my crease. Once I blended this color like so, I'm going to move on with the shade Milk Chocolate. I'm still going to be using my Sigma E40 to blend that out, and this time I'm also going to just keep it on my crease, blending it in windshield wiper motions only. Then I'm going to be taking the shade Semi Sweet, and this time I'm going to take my Sigma E25 and I'm going to blend that on my outer V. Then I'm going to be taking this shade Marzipan with my ColourPop shader brush. I'm going to create like a semi-cut crease. I'm going to blend the outer V just a tiny more with the Semi Sweet color. And I'm going to be highlighting this look with the shade Champagne Truffle, using a pencil brush on my inner corner and on my brow bone. Now in this instance, I'm going to use Milk Chocolate for my lower lash line. And if you want to keep this milkiness, you can use this color Semi Sweet, this one right here. With the pencil brush, just apply it on the outer side of your lower lash line. Of course, mascara, and here you have your Tuesday look. Now for Wednesday, I decided to complete a halo eye because it is the sandwich of the week. It's hump week, so we have the spotlight right in the center of the eye. Now for this look, you guessed it, I'm going to take salted caramel and apply that all over my crease. And of course, I'm going to blend it in windshield wiper motions and then on circular motions to blow it a little bit over my crease. Okay, so now that I have blended that color onto my crease, I'm going to take my Sigma 825 and I'm picking up this milk chocolate color. I'm going to apply it on my crease, very tight on my crease, and then I'm going to bring that color on my inner corner and my outer V here. And once I blend it like so, I'm going to take the color Semi-Sweet and with my Sigma 825, I'm only applying it on my inner and outer side of the eye. And after I have no product left on my brush, I'm just going to connect it on my outer V. And now I'm going to take the shade Marzipan and I'm going to take my Color Pop brush and apply it on the center of the eye. I'm going to try to simulate a cut right over here on my crease and then just blend it on the sides. Now I'm going to take my Sigma 825, use that Semi-Sweet color, the darker shade, and just blend those edges. Now I'm going to take the color Semi-Sweet on a pencil brush and apply it all over my lower lash line. And now I'm going to take the shade Salted Caramel and apply it below that. To highlight the look, I'm using the shade Champagne Truffle. I'm going to apply it on my inner and on my brow. Eyeliner is optional, but I am going to use mascara. And here you have Wednesday. Now for Thursday, I decided to create this look. I just feel like it screams Thursday for me, especially because I love Thursdays more than Fridays. I love the expectation of the weekend is coming and everything like that than actually being the weekend, because let's face it, we adults have to work probably Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. So like, what is the weekend for us anyways, right? So Thursdays is like that hope of the weekend coming in, even though we know we're not gonna get it. And that's why I decided to create this like a little bit more metallic look. It looks like we are almost ready to party, but we're not ready to party. I don't know, I feel like it looks so pretty, so I hope you guys enjoy this look. Now to complete this Thursday look, again I'm going to be taking the shade Salted Caramel. I'm going to take it on my Sigma E40 and I'm going to blend that on my crease. Now I'm going to be taking milk chocolate on the same brush and apply it on my crease as well. And now I'm going to take this shade Semi-Sweet. I'm going to pick it up with my Sigma E25 and apply it on my outer V. Now I'm going to be taking this shade Creme Brulee with my Color Pop brush. I'm going to wet it with my MAC Fix Plus and we're going to create a semi-cut crease. And I just love how this color looks. Oh, it's so beautiful, especially with that Fix Plus. And of course we're going to blend that outer V with my Sigma E25 with the shade Semi-Sweet. I'm going to be taking the shade Milk Chocolate, this color right here, on my pencil brush, and I'm going to be applying it on my lower lash line. And now I'm going to take the shade Semi-Sweet and apply it on the outer V of my lower lash line. To highlight, I'm going to take the shade Marzipan and apply it on inner corner and jawbone. And of course, we're going to use mascara. And here is our Thursday look. And now we're going on to the Friday look. I decided to build a more softer look, but the wing liner gives it a little bit of more drama. And if you want to take it a step further, you can also put some lashes on. I also wanted to keep it very neutral. That way you don't have to compete with your outfit. You can put any outfit and this look will match with it. So this is how you complete Friday's look. I'm going to start with the shade Salted Caramel. I'm going to use my Sigma E40. I'm going to apply this color on my crease. And now that I've built it and blended like so, I'm going to move on with the shade Milk Chocolate on my Sigma E25 and I'm going to be blending it on my outer V. And I'm going to bring that over just a little bit with no more product on my brush, just blending it in. Okay, and now I'm going to take the shade Champagne Truffle. I'm going to pick it up on my Color Pop shader brush and I'm going to wet it with a little bit of Fix Plus. Okay, I'm going to apply this color on my lid as a semi-cut crease. Now I'm going to take the shade Milk Chocolate, my Sigma E25, and just blend those edges in my outer V. I'm going to take milk chocolate and apply it all over my lower lash line. And I'm applying salted caramel underneath that color. Now because it's Friday, I thought you might want to bring up a wing liner. So I'm going to do like a really baby wing. And to highlight the look, I'm going to use the same color, Champagne Truffle, and apply it on my inner corner and on my brow bone. And this is the time where you can apply lashes if you want to be that extra. But for the office, most likely you might not want to do that. So a nice big coat of mascara will do the trick. And here is Friday's look. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, leave me in the comments if you agreed with how I categorized each look. Like, did you like Monday's look? Did it look like a Monday? And so on and so forth. Because I thought that was like the most fun part of the video. Now, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on my next one. Bye!